This was a Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator. Customer complaint that it was not cooling. So first thing I do is I like to open the freezer door. I take a look at that back wall, make sure there's no frost on there. Kind of give it a look over. I listen for the fans. Then I get to the compressor in the back. Condenser fans running, compressor's quiet. Take a look around, don't see any oil. Here's the classic hum click. Hum click. That start relay is suspect at this point. Here I'm going to use a cheater cord. I'm going to put a relay overload. You get straight to the point. See if that compressor is locked up. Once it's on there, it's running. Compressor runs. The fan's running. At this point, I know we got a good compressor. Now we're going to check and make sure there's no issues with refrigerant. When I take a reading with my amp meter, this gives me a good idea whether it's low on charge or not. Anything less than 1 amp and I start suspecting a low charge, and we know we have multiple issues at that point.